Hey guys, it's Tyler Russ, and I'm here in our brand new beautiful showroom here at Ken Ganley Kia.Boardman, and I'm showcasing one of our brand new 2026 Kia EX K4s, and not just a normal K4, but the hatchback model. So come with me as we walk around, look at some of these features, and take a deep dive at our brand new hatchback K4, and hopefully you'll come reach out to us. Let's take a look. With the brand new sleek style design of the 26 Kia K4 hatchback, you'll be able to hit the road in both style and performance, down to the aerodynamic, the new curvature of the wheels, the handles, and even the hatchback style itself. Trust me, we'll get you there in style. With the patented 23.2 display touchscreen, our infotainment center shows off a smooth, sleek design. With built-in navigation, Android Apple CarPlay, and other safety features like blind spot, forward collision, and advanced driving controls, the K4 will make sure that you stay safe while also feeling sporty and capable. And of course, the most important part of the hatchback is the hatchback itself, which increases your trunk space slightly and also provides you with a drop-down shelf that you can remove or take out that will give you extra storage area. Okay. Wrap all that together with a 10-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty and a 5-year, 50,000-mile limited basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile roadside assistance. The brand new K4 Hatchback EX 2026 is going to be one of your best rides.
Hey, if you love that vehicle, we have that and plenty others to choose from. Give us a call to schedule your VIP appointment because we want to see you in a Ken Ganley Kia. Talk soon.